Hello, my friends. Welcome back to my Southern kitchen. My name is Ellen. Who loves cornbread? I do. Loved it since my childhood. I grew up eating it and still love it today. I can eat the whole pan or skillet of it. So today's recipe, I'm going to share with y'all homemade cornbread in a cast iron skillet. Skillet cornbread. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. And as always, it is the bomb.com delicious. Everybody's going to love and enjoy this. Perfect to go along with a bowl of chili, soup, stew, holiday dinner, soul food Sunday, you name it. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down in the description box below. Also check out my fresh cornbread muffins and cream corn cornbread recipe and my previous video, blueberry cheesecake no churn ice cream. I'll post the link to all three of those down in the description box below. So grab your cornmeal, get your butter melting, and get your cast iron skillet heating up sugar, because we're about to bake some skillet cornbread magic in my southern kitchen. Here we go! Alright, my friends, the first step we're going to do is heat up our cast iron skillet. I have a 9-inch cast iron skillet, and we're going to add in 1 heaping tablespoon of bacon grease, or you can use cooking oil, vegetable, or canola. And my oven is preheated to 425 degrees. We're going to let it get super hot and let the bacon grease melt. And while the skillet is getting hot and doing its thing, let's prep up the dry ingredients first. We need 1 cup of all-purpose flour. I'm using my favorite, White Lily. Going to use my 1 cup measurement and fluff it up. Using my butter knife, we're going to level it off, sweep, and voila, perfect cup. Going to pour it into my large bowl. Into our flour, we're going to add in 1 1/4 cups of yellow cornmeal, a perfect cup, and a perfect 1/4 cup. To give our cornbread a little sweetness, we're going to add in 2 tablespoons each of white sugar and packed light brown sugar. I love using those 2 sugars. The brown sugar will give it a nice little molasses flavor in the cornbread. Next, we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, or you can use regular table salt. 1 tablespoon of baking powder, going to make the cornbread nice and tender. And a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, going to make it rise. Going to whisk all these together until they well combined. Okie dokie, dry ingredients are done. Now we're going to set them aside while we're working our wet ingredients. In my medium bowl, we're going to add in 1 extra large egg. Going to beat it. Into our egg, we're going to add in 1 cup of full-fat buttermilk at room temperature. You can use homemade or good quality store-bought. I'll post the link to my homemade buttermilk down in the description box below. And also, my egg was at room temperature. And last but not least, our melted butter. Going to add in a 1/4 cup, which is a 1/2 stick or 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter that I melted and cooled. Going to whisk all these together until they're well blended. And make sure your butter is nice and cooled. Otherwise, if you pour hot butter in it, it will curdle. Okie dokie, wet ingredients are done. Now we're going to pour it into our dry ingredients. Whisk everything together until it's well incorporated. The batter will be thick. Be careful not to overmix. And if the batter is lumpy, that's okay. It's all good. Alright, my friends, our cornbread batter is done. And our cast iron skillet is nice and hot. Let's get it out of the oven. Going to twirl it around so it can coat the bottom of the skillet, like so. And with the skillet hot, it will create that classic cornbread crust that we like. So amazing. Spread it evenly. Alrighty, my friends, now we are ready to put this beautiful cornbread in the oven. Going to bake it on the same temperature we heated the skillet, 425 degrees. Going to let it bake until it's golden brown, about 20 minutes. And I'll bring you back. My friends, I smell cornbread. I just taken it out of the oven and placed it onto my cooling rack. See how nice and golden brown it is? That is a perfectly baked cornbread. Smells heavenly up in this kitchen. And there you have it, my friends. Southern skillet cornbread, completely from scratch. Don't that look good? Before we serve it, while it's still hot, we're going to spread some butter on it so it can melt. Oh yes, can't have too much butter if I do say so myself. Perfect. So now I'm about to cut me up a slice and give it a taste. All right, my friends, I got my slice of cornbread onto my plate, and I like to add a little bit more butter. I love lots of butter on my cornbread. And spread it. Ooh, it's super hot. Now it is time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Gorgeous texture. Look at that. Please have a bite. Super buttery. It's moist. Love that hint of sweetness. Nothing like homemade cornbread. Brings back so many memories. This is phenomenal, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Skillet cornbread licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And for more Southern magic in my kitchen, hit that subscribe button and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and please send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat and much love.